Hello to all of you. So in this lecture, we start a new chapter that called Intelligent Transport System. Okay. So this is the third module of your syllabus. So in this chapter, we discuss about intelligent transport system like there are smart vehicles, smart fuels, GIS, GPS, navigation system, then traffic safety management, mobility service, and ETP. Yeah. So there are total 7 topics which are included in this chapter that color intelligent transport system. So what is the intelligent transport system? It is a one type of advanced application. What is the aim? So the aim of transport intelligent transport system is to provide innovative service relating to different mode of transport like a public transport, private transport, clear, and traffic management, and enable user to better inform and make safer, more coordinate and smarter use of transport network. Means the aim is the transport system become smart using different types of technology. So this is the aim of intelligent transport system. So there are purpose and objective which is included of ITS. So what is the first purpose? The improving the mobility of peoples and goods. Mobility means transportation. Improving the transportations of peoples and goods. Then second one, increase the safety, reducing traffic congestion and managing incident effectively. Clear? Means how can you improve the safety of public and how can you minimize the traffic problems or traffic congestion. Then third one, improve traffic flow by reducing congestion. Then fourth, quickly detect incident and appropriately respond to them. Like in near about roundabout, the accident occurs. So how can you quickly respond? How can you know quickly by this system? Then fifth one, improve air quality by reducing pollution level locally and minimizing the travel delay. So how can you improve air quality? So you can use a smart vehicles like based on electrical, based on biofuel. The sixth one, improve safety by providing advance warning before potential crash situation. Means in, uh, some types of vehicle that advanced technology are used to indicate before the accident occur, like the barriers are or the publics and like some obstacles which are comes instantly, so that warn to the driver or to people by some advanced technology. Then seventh one, minimize the impact of environmental, highway and human factors that contribute to accident. So that some of the technologies include calling for emergency service when an accident occurs, using cameras to enforce traffic law or sign that mark speed limit changes depending on conditions. So, so all in all, what is the meaning of intelligent transport system? Is that enhance our facility and our safety by using some advanced technology and reduce the environmental pollution or improve air quality by using different types of fuels which are renewable. Clear? So this is the meaning of intelligent transport system. So the next one, ITS, it is one type of system, clear, in which the communication and information technology are applied in the transport system, like including infrastructures, vehicles, and user, and in traffic management as well as mobility management. So transport ITS may improve the efficiency and safety of transport in a numbers of situations like road transport, traffic management, mobility. As I said that, clear, by the using of ITS system, yeah, ITS, so you can improve or you can reduce the traffic congestion or traffic and increase the traffic management and road transport system. So this system is adopted across the world or throughout the world to increase the capacity of busy road and reduce journey time. There are widely applications of ITS which is accepted and used in many countries like in our India. Done. So the use of not just to limited traffic congestion, clear, but also it improves road safety and efficient infrastructure. So there are some key tools and drivers which included in ITS. So like information technology are used in ITS, communications technology use, mobile apps, cloud computing, sensor, cameras, GPS, digital radio, RFID. So these drivers and tools which are used in ITS, clear? So this is the basic meaning of intelligent transport system. So how can you use the intelligent transport technology? So you can use in car navigation, you can use traffic signal control system, then after container management system like in our Mudra bot, how can you manage the particular big container? Done. And variable message sign. So you know that there are different signs of traffic management. Clear? Then you already aware about that automatic recognition number plate. So you can break the signal or break the rules so that cameras or that sensor which recognize your number plate and give a fine or memo to you. Clear? Then speed cameras to monitor applications such as a security CCTV system. Like in out of the India, the speed camera used to detect the speed of vehicle, and if the speed is higher than the normal speed, they fine to that driver. Then after automatic incident detections and stop vehicle detection system, like you know that about Tesla, clear. So in Tesla, you when the obstacle or any person which comes to the road, so that system or that sensor which warn you that obstacles are near your vehicle. Clear? Parking guidance and information system, like you know that there are automatically parking systems like in Endeavor or Fortuner, which top model. Then after weather information, which all this using intelligent transport technology. So what are the applications area of intelligent transport system? First one, real-time parking management, electronic toll connections. Like there are various, there are as per the Indian government, clear. So there are barcodes are given to collect a toll. Clear. If you have not that particular barcode, then you find in double amount. Clear. Then emergency vehicle notification system, automated road speed enforcement, speed alerts, RFID in the freight transportations means good transportation, variable speed limits, dynamic traffic light sequence, collision avoidance system. So these are the usage or applications of ITS. The next one, traffic management. Traffic Management Center, that called TMC. It is the vital unit of ITS, means most important unit of ITS. Clear? So it is administered by the Transportations Authority. All data is collected or analyzed for further operations and control management of the traffic in real time or information about local transportation vehicle. Clear? So the traffic management system is a main important part of or main important unit of ITS because they collect all the data and it administered by Transportation Authority. That data which will be used for traffic management systems and otherwise it can use the some parking design or new road constructions or bridge constructions. Clear? So that plan will be well organized or proficient operation of TMC depends on automized data collections with precise local information and analysis of the data to generate accurate information and transmitting to back to travel. So that process more detail like a first one. How can you collect? So first then data collection, then data transmissions to the TMC means Traffic Management Center. Then data analyze. Then after that, data will be get by travel. Clear? So this is a diagram. So the data which connect to the TMC and by some data collection method, clear, then transform to data transform means TMC center and then go to travelers by some mobile applications, by websites, clear. So this is a traffic management center. The next one, advantages of intelligent transport system. So what are the advantages? First one, it reduction in stops and delays at intersection. Clear? You know that in the intersection, yeah, in roundabout, you can wait or you almost wait 1 minute or 2 minutes. So that time will be reduced by this method. And by this method, you improve the safety. Then third one, that's speed can be controlled or speed can be improved by this ITS. The next one, that travel time which improved by this method. Then capacity management means the road capacity is will be increased by the ITS. Incident management. So these are the advantages of ITS. There are types of intelligent transport system. There are four types of ITS. First one, advanced travel information, advanced traffic management system. Third one, advanced public transportation system. Fourth one, emergency management system. Clear? So then we will discuss in briefly. So first one, advanced travel information system, that called ATIS. ATIS means implement a wide range of technology such as the internet, telephone, cellular, television, radio to assist travelers and drivers in making informed decisions regarding trip departures and optimum routes and available mode of travel. So you know that by cellular phone, by internet, by maps, you can get the direction of your destination. Clear? Or you can easily predict the weather by this system. So that called advanced traveler information system. Clear? So ATIS provide the drivers both en route and pre-trip information. Means before the trip information you get by advanced traveler information system. Clear? So that en route information and guidance by this system, you can save travel time or you can reduce the travel time. Clear? And it helps to avoid traffic congestion because you already aware about that that place have a more traffic, so you can choose alternate route to reach your destination. Clear? Then second one, ATMS means Advanced Traffic Management System. Clear? So this system is used by police department or traffic regulation authority. For what? As a tool to manage the traffic control by monitoring the flow traffic and making appropriate decision on timely manner. Clear? So this is a real-time information matter. So it is used by police department and traffic regulation authority. Here it is one type of tool which manage or control the traffic by monitoring the flow of traffic. Then third one, APTS means Advanced Public Transportation. Clear? So it is a concern with operational efficiency of public transportation mode like BRTS, AMTS, GSRTS, that all these include in the APTS. Here, this increasing the ridership by making transportation system more reliable. Then fourth one, emergency management system. Clear? So it is the one type of newest research field in ITS. Here it is concerned with the applications of different ITS technology to develop transport system which can provide in emergency condition. As per the name, you know that what is the meaning means it is used for emergency condition, clear, like when disaster occur, so that time this system are used, clear, but it is the newest method, and there are some research is going on. There are four types of ITS. The next one, smart vehicles. You already about that smart vehicle. What is the meaning of smart vehicles? Clear? So that means by the smart vehicle, you can overcome different types of difficulties like accident, traffic congestions, then people can do accident by some silly mistakes, so that all things which is overcome by this smart vehicle, clear. So this smart vehicles makes driving smart, safe and efficient, clear. So smart vehicle have a different types of features which minimize human efforts, make traveling comfortable, like a Tesla. Clear? So in Tesla, you know that there are autopilot. So you can easily reach, or you can get comfort in this car. Clear? So you can easily travel on long route with comfort and safe. There are lots of type of research are going on to overcome this driving related issue. Clear? So like a Tesla and Google self-driving car, which are the newest concept. Then, so what are the features of smart cars or smart vehicles? So first one, biometric car lock and car ignitions. Then second one, land detections and changing, night vision camera. Then fourth one, intelligent speed adaptations. Fifth one, ultra classic airbags. So there are five features which are included in smart vehicles. We can discuss in briefly. So first one, biometric car lock and car ignitions. So you know that in different types of car, so the handle of this car have a biometric sensor. So you can open a car without key by your finger sensor. Clear? Or you can access. And you can start the car by pressing a button. Here, because button has a fingerprint analysis or fingerprint sensor. So what are the limitations of this system? Here, so this system is failed or malfunctions. One could access the car. Clear? So that whole system should be changed, either which will be cost. Clear? Like if you sold the car to someone, so that whole system should be changed, which is very costly. Then second one, land detections and changing. Clear? You know that there are many people who change the land without indicating the sightline. So this is one of the biggest issue in our India. Clear? So that sensor attached which around the car that will detect distance of vehicle around the car based on lane change, and lane change operation is happen. Clear? So there are sensor which are attached around the car which detect the distance about or distance between cars, and you can easily change the lane. Then the car will detect the obstacle or pedestrian through the IR sense and alert the system according to the automatically brakes will apply to slow down the car. Leo, like when you're driving a car on a road, so that obstacles or some peoples are walking on pedestrians and you cannot see or you cannot aware, otherwise you operate some your cell phone, so that IR sensor which easily detect and alert the system and apply automatically brake and slow down the your vehicle or your car. So one of the limitations of IR sensor, that range is very less, clear, like 1 meter, 2 meter, and that some amount of moisture on the sensor will lead to the deactivation. Then third one, night vision camera. So this camera provides clear and negative image in the whole dark black room. Clear? So you know that the night vision camera about that, so that provide a clear image in night. So it will increase driving safety and reduce the chances of accident. You know that there are most of the accident occurs in night due to improper visibility. Clear? To increase the vehicle driver's perceptions and watching a distance in darkness and poor weather beyond the reach of vehicles. The next one, intelligent speed adaptation. So in ISA, it is also known as a speed alerting. Being the system monitors exceed the speed limit on a road and warns the driver when the vehicle is detected or to exceeding the speed limit. It means when the vehicle reach over the speed limit, so that system or that sensor which warn the driver you are overspeed. Then fifth one, ultra classic airbags. Here, so that airbags helps stop the car when accident threat. You know that about different types of airbags. So the frictions in the bags help to stop the car or slow it down. This is an ultrasonic, ultra classic airbags. There are five features which are included in smart vehicles. The next one, there are different type of technology for next generation for smart vehicles. So that will be discussed in next session. Here.